So today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, we are going to make chicken wings and celery and blue cheese dressing like you do in the restaurant. And here we go. Okay, what I've got is this thing of chicken wings, and I'm going to take them and I'm going to cut the wing off, and then I'm going to cut them into wings, and I'm putting them in some water to rinse them off, and once I get these all done, I'll get back with you. Now I got these chicken wings all cut up, and when you cut them, you want to cut them in the joint. Make sure that you cut them in the joint. So I'm putting down some paper towel, and I'm going to get these out of the water, get them dried off. You definitely want to rinse them. Okay. I'm going to get a little bit more paper towel. I even roll things up sometimes to get it even better. Okay, now I'm going to wash my hands. I don't want soap on my hands, that's for sure. All right. Now, I'm going to take about, I don't know, a half a cup and maybe 3/4 cup flour. And I'm going to take a teaspoon of salt, about a half a teaspoon of pepper, probably a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. And that should be good. I'm going to mix that all up. I'm going to put a little bit more paper towel on this. Just make sure they're dried off good. Okay. Throw them in the flour. Then I'm going to put them on my cookie sheet, and I'm going to spray it a little bit because I want it to help crisp them up. And I've got the oven preheated to 400. Just going to put these on here. And as always, I will be putting the recipe in the description for you. Stand up. I'm going to do that 3 times. We're going to make the buffalo sauce after. And this was 3 pounds of chicken wings. And like I said, be sure you have a sharp knife and cut it in the joint. You know, and of course you throw away the wing part. Okay. I'm gonna have to invite some neighbors over. This is way more than Cheryl and I can eat. All right. And make sure you separate them pretty good so that they can get the heat. That should do it. 400 for 30 minutes, and if it takes longer, I'll let you know. I'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I am going to spray these with some more Pam. And I am going to turn them. So when I get that all done, I'll get back to you. Here's my chicken wings. I did end up baking them for an hour. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take, I melted a stick of butter, put that in there, and then I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of red hot. And if you like your wings really hot, do half and half. So I'm just going to do a 1/4 cup. I'm going to mix that up. Okay. Now I'm going to take my wings. I'm going to dump them. Well, that didn't work out so good, but most of them went in. Okay. And then, let me get rid of that. And I'm going to just toss them around in the butter and the red hot. Like I said, if you like them spicier, do them half butter, half red hot. That's the original recipe, but I didn't want them quite that hot. Look at those. They look so good. Okay, I'm going to put them in my little baskets. They are going to be so yummy. Of course, if you deep fry them, they're going to be crunchier. But I'm kind of afraid of deep frying. I know that's silly, but look at those. Yum, yum. Okay, now I'm going to take my blue cheese dressing. I've got my celery all cut. And look at that. Now, if that doesn't look yummy, like you went to a restaurant, I'll eat my shirt. No. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little video. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Thanks for watching. Bye now.